I'm at Jalan Sultan Ismail, heading towards Bukit Bintang, turning left towards Jalan P. Ramlee, heading KLCC. Recently, DBKL put up a flashing turn left arrow which says belok kiri jika tiada kenderaan dan pejalan kaki. This orange light will flash all the time. It's not linked to the traffic lights. Therefore, when the pedestrian crossing phase comes on, it still flashes. So there is a danger that the turning car will knock onto the pedestrian if they do not give way to the pedestrian. But luckily this white car is very good. It stops and gives way to the pedestrian. So it is hoped that DBKL will install flashing lights linked to the traffic lights, which will stop blinking during the pedestrian crossing phase. Like now, it's still the pedestrian crossing phase. People are still crossing and the cars are horning already. I hope the mayor will look into this shortcoming of DBKL, short of calling it irresponsible. Please help to viral this video and ask for proper road safety lights. Thank you.